This is a 10 cup Bunn coffee maker, and I wanted to show you how fast it is. I just put the cold water in, I got my filter ready to go. Let's go. Part of the secret of this coffee pot is this metal part in the back here. It holds 10.5 cups of water in there, and it's always preheated. So when you put new water in, it pushes the already hot water up and out through here really fast. I love Bunn coffee makers. They work so well. Also, the design on the bottom of the spigot, I guess you would call it, the part that shoots the water through the basket, is also a better design than most cheaper coffee pots, in the fact that it swirls the water in such a way. But yeah, you can see I almost have 4 cups of coffee ready. Let's just let this go and I'll time it out and see how long it takes. Well, there you have it. It's almost come to a complete stop, and I have 10 cups of coffee. And did I mention that this coffee maker has been making coffee for 5 years now? This is by no means new at all. It's made a lot of coffee and it still works great. So these Bunn coffee makers are worth every penny, and I'm not getting paid to say that. It's true. Hope you enjoyed that. It smells good in here. I'm gonna get some coffee.